In this video, I'm going to show you how to see localized tax info in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Origin Financial automatically displays your financial information using the currency based on your location. So, if you're located in the Philippines, your balances and financial amounts should appear in your local currency instead of US dollars. This helps make your financial dashboard easier to understand based on your region. For tax-related information, Origin also includes an in-app tax filing tool that supports both federal and state tax returns. The platform is designed to handle different state tax situations, making it easier to manage tax filing directly inside the app. To view tax-related features, go to the Taxes or Filing section inside Origin Financial. From there, you can review available tax tools, filing options, and related financial information connected to your account. One important thing to remember is that Origin currently does not support filing multi-state tax returns in a single filing process. So, if you earned income or lived in more than one state during the year, you may need additional steps outside the platform to complete your filing properly. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.